Are you aware of your personality preferences? And if so, do you know your blind spots? Psychologists have studied and applied many models to allow us to better understand how we gather and process information for decision making. These models are generally labeled personality preferences. Knowledge of your preferences allows you to recognize and manage your blind spots. According to Carl G. Jung's theory of psychological types, people can be characterized by their preference. The 3 areas of preference introduced by Jung are dichotomies. The first dichotomy relates to how you get energized: extroverted versus introverted. Extroverts thrive on being with others. After a tough week, they can't wait to meet up with friends. An introvert, after the same week, is looking forward to time chilling with a novel. The second is how you perceive whether you see the trees or the forest, sensing versus intuition. Do you see the big picture or need the details? The third is how you collect information, logically or emotionally, thinking versus feeling. Do you need the facts to make a decision, or do you relate to the human impact of a decision? Isabel Briggs Myers, a researcher and practitioner of Jung's theory, proposed to see the judging-perceiving relationship as a 4th dichotomy. This 4th dichotomy defines how you make decisions. Judging. Do you have a need for closure or perceiving? Do you have a need for extensive research before a decision can be made? We have provided a personality assessment for you with this course. Mindfulness is powerful. To get more in touch with our spirit requires focused work. Personal income has more than doubled in the past 50 years in the United States, yet happiness levels have remained the same. While this might be surprising, recent research has shown that only 10% of our happiness is due to our external circumstances. A full 90% is based on our inner environment, our spiritual self. 50% of our happiness level comes from our genes, and 40% comes from intentional activities like self-reflection, meditation, and prayer. Mindfulness generates gratitude, forgiveness, and balance. The power of mindfulness is explained by recent research in neuroplasticity. We now know that the adult brain grows 5,000 new brain cells every day, so we can actually rewire our brains to be happy, compassionate, and kind. But like building muscle, you have to work at it. We have provided tools, tips to help you get into the habit of journaling and meditating. Please take the time to use the Personal Reflection Workbook and begin your journey to optimize you.